'Cause you are the reason I'm still hanging on. Yeah, you are the reason why my head is still above water. And if I could get to the moon, I'd give it to you. And if that was coming for you, I'd give my life for you. 'Cause you are the reason I'm still hanging on. And if that was coming for you, I'd give my life for you. 'Cause you are, oh, you are.
Everyone, so it's 5 o'clock right now and I'm about to start my work. Like, I have a work meeting right now. This work meeting is more like a research work, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to certain clients and discuss about what are their deliverables. And I hope I just said that right. Like, sometimes I stammer in saying some words because I don't know if they really sound the same, but when it comes to me, I always do it like this. It's a Zoom call, so I'm just gonna go ahead and look at what I can do to contribute. I can't really get you guys into my meeting because it's PNC. Just gonna go ahead and mute the audio so that you guys can just enjoy the vlog. So I'm just waiting for my host to start off their meeting, guys.
Keep in mind here, when I say keyword, I either mean one word or a phrase. So keyword can be either a phrase, like 2 or 3 words, or one word. I know it's kind of confusing, but it's basically whatever is coming with it.